Hey, what's up, everybody? How's everybody doing? My name is Big J, and welcome to the channel. I'm going to give you guys a tutorial on what you can do to get raids on your channel. Let's begin. So what you want to do is go to your picture at the upper right, click it, go to YouTube Studios, and then scroll down to the very bottom left corner where it says settings. Click on settings. Then what you're gonna do is scroll down to where it says community. Go to community, and then what you're gonna do is go all the way down to where it says live redirect. So allow people, in order for them to raid, you have to go to all channels can redirect to my content, and channels I subscribe to can redirect to my content. So if you want to, make sure you click on both so that would work out for you guys. So make sure you guys click on these, and then you'll be good to go. And you just save it, and that's how you do it. Thank you guys for tuning in, and if you like the video, please feel free to hit the like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I would gladly appreciate it. Once again, thank you guys for tuning in, and hope you guys have a great day. Thank you. Next time, stay too lit.